Hello and thank you for joining us. This video will cover setting up worker hours, the difference between desktop and cloud. So in Setup, Employee, in STX Desktop, you would have gone to the Hours tab and selected a worker. You would have had an option for regular hours and alternate hours, and then also two spaces. If, for instance, we started at 9 a.m. and went to 1 with this worker, and then they came back after lunch from 2 to 5. Okay, and then over here on the right, you would have assigned regular hours and let's say alternative hours. So in the STX Cloud software, this is set up a little different. So you're going to go to the menu bar, Setup, Setup Workers. You're going to select on the worker details. You're going to select a worker and click Hours. And then in here, you're just going to put the full amount of hours. So let's say 9 a.m. and it does have to be formatted this way to 5 p.m. and then you would save it. Then what you would do is on the appointment book, if you needed to schedule off that hour in between, you would use what's called book out time. So from the appointment page, there's a book out time button. And how this works is you can tell it, you could do 12:30, let's say to 1. And I'm going to do this for the next year. And actually, I'll just do it for the next month. Let's keep it simple. You could do this for a year. You could do this for a month. I tell it the worker. So this is going to be for Shauna. You can select all the workers. You can select multiple workers, however you want that to go. But for this, I'm just going to do Shauna, and I'm going to put that this is her lunchtime. And since she only works 2 days a week, we're only going to do this for her Mondays, so every 1 week. So you could do this for every day. So you could do this for every worker every day and schedule them a lunch. You could schedule your meetings this way. And then I just go ahead and hit search. It's going to show me that all those times are available. And then I just click save. And then what you'll see is there's a break in the middle of her day. It's not like all the other appointments. It's just a lunch right here in the middle. And then I can extend this out and make it longer as needed. Or if I need to move this appointment to accommodate other appointments coming in, I can move it around as well. So it's a lot more flexible than this setup within the STX desktop software. And it also gives you that ease of use. Okay. If, for example, the worker does, maybe they work alternate hours, how you can set that up is going to Setup Workers, Worker Details, and let's say that same Shauna worker, she works every other Thursday. So I can add custom hours. So there's two ways to do this. I can either put hours in on Thursday. So let me go ahead and put hours in. We'll say 12:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. So I have a couple options here. So on Thursdays, if her traditional hours are 12:30 to 7, and let's say she works every other Thursday, I can do days off, repeat weekly, every week on Thursday for the next year. And what it will do is it will block her off every other Thursday. Another option I have, and it'll show up down here that she has every other Thursday off. I can edit this or delete it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Now let's say she's not going to work every other Thursday. She's actually going to work 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on every other Thursday. I just click Add Custom Hours. Custom Hours. I put in the new times. And I put that we repeat this weekly on Thursdays. And it's every 2 weeks on Thursday. And then I can do my start date is, let's say today, and then it ends a year out from now. And I can put that she gets every other Thursday off. So you're able to easily change these, start and stop them. And I click add, and now it's noted. So it's not that it can't do these things, it's just a different way of looking at it.